How's it going, everyone? In this video, I want to talk about how to manage a losing trade. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I want to talk about a trade I took on Amazon today. I want to point out I did break even on this trade. So I'm ending my day at zero basically. Okay? So let's talk about what I seen. First off, let's go to the hourly time frame. Zoom out. You can see when the market opened today, we had a little sell-off pre-market. We come up. We was testing this resistance, right? Now let's go to the 5-minute. Me personally, I don't like taking breakout trades. Breakout trades, when you break through resistance and make a move up, you'll be getting in as soon as you broke that resistance off good volume and profiting off the move up, right? That's a breakout trade to the upside. What I like to do, I like to wait on a nice pullback for my entry. So we came up, Amazon has strength, a relative strength. Come back down with retesting this area here. Told everyone inside Team Boy, so I'm trying calls. My first entry was at 130.338, I believe it was, for calls. Went with the 131 strike price. I said my main area I want to add is 130.2. That was patient, waited on the 130.2. That was only a 20-something cent stop loss. If you entered at the, we'll just say 130.4, that's a 40-cent stop loss on the stock. Now, my price target on this trade was high of day, so 131.4. So I'm basically risking 40 cents to make over $1, right? So that allows for the proper risk to reward. Unfortunately, the market's a little weird today. We have FOMC minutes coming up, and it didn't work out. Now, let's talk about how I managed this. First off, it came down. I added at 130.4. Roughly, I think my average there was 109 on the 131 call options. It came down. I added to my position, bringing my average down to 101. We had a little move up here. I was in the profits right around 110, I believe it was. 109 to 110. Could have sold, got out there, but I was holding for my price target to allow for the proper risk to reward, because you don't want to be cutting it too short. If you do that, you're going to have a super high win rate to be profitable, right? I like to keep my trades where I can have a decent win rate and still be, making good money. Come back up, it started hesitating. I said, all right, everyone, what's happening now is it's burning our premiums due to theta. So I don't like the way it's looking. It looks as though it's bear flagging. I said, it's time for me to get out. I'm just going to break even, get out of this trade. One of the key things I've learned in my experience trading, the trade is making you feel uncomfortable. If you're seeing signs of it going bad, it never hurts to get out of the trade. It's that break even, a little bit in the red. Because when you have experience, you can tell when a trade's starting to go bad. The way we trade matches our personality a lot of times, right? For me, I don't like holding a long day trade. I like getting in, making my money, and it doing what I want to immediately, right? Especially if I'm trading same week expiration, because that is working against me. And like I said, if you feel uncomfortable in that trade, just get out, look for a better setup. If it does exactly what you wanted it to once you get out, don't worry about it. Don't have FOMO. It happens. Move on to the next trade. Write it down. Write down what you were feeling during that trade. Some things that you've seen that made you want to get out. Turn it into a learning experience. That's what's important. As you can see here, this did exactly what I thought it was going to do. Come down. It was a bear flag on the 5-minute. It broke to the downside. And now you can see that we're slowly climbing back up now. So if I'd have stayed in this a minute or two longer, I wouldn't have broke even. I would have lost money. It would have come down, probably hit it would have triggered my stop loss here on this candle. But everyone, my stop loss was below that 130. You're probably wondering, what's A plus setup and how you know it's going to work? That's the thing. You can identify a setup, you can look for confirmations, but no trade's 100%. Sometimes you will have to stop out. Just be sure you have a game plan before you go into that trade. Know exactly how you're going to manage it, where you're going to sell, where you're going to stop out, what's your reasoning behind this trade. And that's what's really important, risk management. That's all I have for this video. I want to keep it simple, kind of give you an insight, give you my thought process while it was fresh on this trade. Hope that helps you all out. Again, if you haven't hit that thumbs up button yet, be sure to go hit that right now. And that's all I got for this video. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.